All right, how's it going? So this is just going to be a quick loom in which I'm going to show you that in 2025, you don't need to record custom avatars for your photos, and that will give you a lot more room to have really variations of thumbnails. So I'm just going to show you some variations of the thumbnails I have. As you can see, these are all my variations. All of them are AI. I have done nothing. So this basically gives you more room for creativity and your design team to have more innovations in the thumbnails, right? So I don't have to now manually record for each thumbnail, and that way I will have really high quality. All right. So in my case, the best thing that works, I'm just going to show you in this video how it's done. And the best thing that works is having a wide background avatar. So the software we're going to use is FreePic. There's no software that can do a better job than FreePic. It's the only one that works, and it's very cheap. You have to buy the credits, so you have to buy the monthly program. It's going to be like $16, so you have to buy that. Once you have done that, you have to create your avatar first. How do you create your avatar? I'm just going to link a video in this loom so you can take a look at how do you create avatars. So once you have created your avatar, make sure it's ultra, you attach all the images and you select the gender and all that. So once you have done that, you're going to get towards this tab. Okay, now I'm going to show you what type of prompts you need to add and how do you basically add them. So these are all the prompts that I added. And now once you have gotten to this point, all you need to do is just scroll through YouTube, all right? You're just going through YouTube saying which thumbnail should I use? Which thumbnail do I like? So I'm just going to give you an example that what do you need to keep in mind. So I liked this thumbnail, so I'm just going to take a screenshot of this photo, okay? And you have to prompt a wide background thumbnail. Why? Because a wide background thumbnail gives more room for innovation. A wide background thumbnails is going to give you your designers more room to make better thumbnails, right? So once that's done, you go to ChatGPT, boom, attach it, and you say, okay, ChatGPT, I'm trying to have a prompt for this photo. So give me a prompt for this photo that I can attach into FreePic. I'm using FreePic to create variations of the thumbnails, and my character's name is Abdu. Okay, so give me a prompt that I can add in FreePic so I can get a thumbnail like this out of it. Now you're going to see that the prompt is going to give is now going to be how it's not going to help me give the right exact model that I want, but still it's going to do a really good job. So let it cook first. Okay, so ChatGPT has given a prompt. I'm just going to copy it. Of course, there's a lot of changes. A YouTube thumbnail style thumbnail image featuring a young man with a trimmed beard tail. Okay, this is something we're going to remove. Arias laying his head. Okay, style here. Now I'm gonna name my character here, Abdul. Okay, so this is the character that I created. So we are just gonna name him. That is at feet sideways on a white space. Sideways, no, we're just gonna remove the sideways. Laying his head on a white surface. Expressive face, clean lighting, minimalist white background with a floating stripe. Okay, now we're gonna remove the stripe thing. Add a modern smartphone. Yeah, sure. In front of me, use high contrast, soft shadow. Abdul wearing a polo t-shirt. Facial expression should show him in mid-shock or confusion. All right. Now what we're gonna add is we're gonna just click on Flux 1.0, and my character is over there, and boom. So we're gonna start generating it. Let's see what type of a job it does, and if it's good enough or not. So we wait, and it is creating. Well, as you can see, it has already done a good job, but I like only this one. Other than that, none of them look actually like me. There's a bit difference. So we're just gonna generate more. So you just keep on click on generate more. Just change few things on the prompt. You change a few things like, okay, probably remove the phone, or probably, add a black sideways room. So you keep on adding those things, you're gonna get better thumbnails. So for example, out of all 8 of them, only one of them is good enough, which is this one, right? This looks up pretty similar to me. Like if I pose like this, so it's going to be a lot more similar, right? If I have the same hairstyle at the moment. So only this thumbnail looks better. So you have to keep on generating more unless or until you get to a point where the thumbnail matches exactly like the one you need to make, okay? So once that's done, you just basically select all of them, something like this, wait. Yeah, so you select all of them and you just like this one, remove it, you delete all other ones, and boom, this is the thumbnail you have now. You just keep on prompting, and simply you're gonna have more thumbnails. Now, if you want to know what I basically do and what I do for clients, we basically run a content marketing agency for our clients, and we help them scale on YouTube and Instagram. These are one of our biggest case studies. Like this was the client getting views before, this was what he was getting after. Now I keep on implementing AI in the process of me working with my clients, whether if it's ideation, we still get views like 20K views, 17K views, 100K views, 350K views, we still get good numbers. We have a physical office. These are the clients that we have dealt with, and these are the clients that we're currently working with. So that's what we offer. If you're interested on someone who can take care of your full stack YouTube and Instagram ideation, so you can just focus on creating content, just let me know, drop me a DM, and I can go through and show you all the process that I have, all right? Otherwise, just follow me on Instagram. That's free.